How to change price scale on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to change a price scale on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on a mobile device or laptop device. Once you open the TradingView, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right side of your screen, right click on your price scale. Now click on more settings. Once you click on it, now click on scale and lines. Once you go over there, you can see the option for scale placement over here. Click on this menu icon. If you want to move this price scale to the left side of your screen, click on stack on the left side. Once you click on it, your price scale will be moved. Now click on OK. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna change price scale on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.